Hey everyone, it's Mom and Daughter Travels. So, I'm not outside, but I have my mask on. And the reason why is because I am cleaning up the bedroom. My 5-year-old shares the bedroom with me. So I'm like moving furniture around and stuff, vacuuming the floors, and I don't want the dust. Woo, to go all in my nose and my mouth. It's bad enough I'm dealing with allergies. It's getting better. But I want to show you what I got. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. So you wet it and then you squeeze it so it's damp. And this is what I need to clean. And mothers who have young children ain't got nothing else better to do during quarantine. They exceeded all their activities to do at home. My 5-year-old, God bless her, autistic, she found something to do to keep her nice and calm. I did not yell at her, but I got to deal with cleaning it up. Check this out. She did a mural over here. Look at this. She loves to draw. Okay, she got tired of writing on paper, drawing on her paper. So let me zoom out a little bit so you can see. So as you see, she drew the letters. She did happy faces. So what I want to show you to see if this magic eraser really works. Here we go. Let's do this here. Ooh. Hey! Oh shit! Excuse me. Oh snap! It works. Oh my god! And this is regular crayons. It's not waterproof crayons. Oh my god! Because I was like, I have to repaint the wall again. And it's working.
Wait. Oh, the sponge is working?
Yes, it is.
Wow, that means you could get to clean all the walls.
Yeah,
I draw the heart.
I know.
Don't forget to erase that like that.
Okay, I'll do it right now. Let's see.
I just draw.
Ooh, this one is hard. This one really gotta scrub it. Maybe
I draw a pumpkin of Halloween, and that was Valentine's.
It's doing the work, but I think I gotta re-wet it.
And that is the gingerbread man.
Yeah, it's like drying up. It's like it dries up.
You're not a boy.
But as you see, guys, it works. Just gotta re-wet it. Yeah, gotta re-wet it because it's like whatever I took from here, but it worked. We're gonna move on to the next. But thank you y'all for watching. Woo! It works.
Hard work is really
Magic Cleaner.
hard work.
I will definitely purchase it.
It's really
I will
hard
link
work, Ma.
I will link the link.
There's a lots of people you gotta erase, and a lots of. This is the people. That's the people. That's the people. That's the people.
I will link the
this is
site where
all
I got
the
it
people.
from online to Walmart. All the people that you did. Yes.
Yeah.
Give mommy a lot of work to do. Good exercise for me. Okay.
You're getting more strong.